Hi, this is Missy. Today we're going to talk about the home remedy for cold. These days the weather is unpredictable, so sometimes we're feeling a little bit under the weather. How are you going to combat that feeling? If you're getting cold, what is the best way to get rid of the cold, the best way, the fastest way? I have a couple of tips for you. First up is you gotta rest. Your body needs energy to heal. Don't go out and do things and don't stay in front of the computer. You need to rest. Give your body a chance to combat the cold. Next is you have to keep the hydration up. I'm not talking about drinking the soda water or having some ice cream. You need some warm liquid, warm lemon juice with honey. If you have sore throat, the old remedy is use the salt water to gargle and you will see your sore throat heal pretty quickly. What about your environment? When you stay at home, maybe it's a good idea to turn your humidifier on so you have the moisture, you maintain the moisture in the air. That will help you get rid of the cold faster. What other drinks can you have? Well, you can have some lemon and ginger tea or echinacea, or have some nice fruity tea instead of strong caffeine drinks. Also, you can try and have some vitamin supplements such as vitamin C or get some zinc supplement. But be very careful about the dosage. You need to consult with your doctor about how much you should take, alright? And what doesn't work is because it's cold, antibiotics won't work. And also, over-the-counter medications sometimes is dangerous for young children too, so you need to be careful about that. Right? So, in summary, you need to give your body a rest and keep up the hydration. Drink plenty of warm water or tea, herbal tea, and have some vitamin C supplements that will help. Also, in the environment, just keep the air moist, right? Dry air is not going to help you. And with the sore throat, you can have some lozenges or the salt water gargle. I hope that helps. So until next time, be well.